Hey guys, Doug with Machinery Partner, out here in Ohio at Lavy Enterprises with Austin and Ivan. Together, we work towards the success of our machines and ensuring that they show up to our customers ready to go. Ivan, can you tell me a little bit about what you do in ensuring machine success?
When the machines come from overseas, we take a final inspection and make sure there's no damage in transit. Our responsibility is to look over the machine, make sure belts are tightened up as they should be, make sure nothing is rattled, make sure nothing was missed on the final assembly. There's nothing more disappointing than having a machine show up at your place and you're ready to use it, and it needs just one little final tweak. Our job is to make the machine look good when it shows up at the customer's place, and it doesn't need a lot of adjusting.
And how long have you guys been in business?
We've been in business since 2010. I grew up on a farm, and I've worked with equipment since I was young. So even before I could drive, I've been tinkering with equipment.
So I've been with Lavy Enterprises for going on almost 11 years now. Started when I graduated high school, and I've been here since.
We've taken on a lot of projects. We've worked on equipment that's been custom made that there's no print for.
From down to your commercial grade mower all the way up to these large machines as Machinery Partners dealing with. Our customer base is probably the most important thing you can have as a company, and we have a lot of very, very good customers. We're very thankful for them. Our biggest goal for them is just to keep them going.
We see ourselves as a problem-solving company. We don't like to have something come in and just change the part. We'd like to know why the part failed, and sometimes the problem is just operator error. And we recognize that, and that is the time just to replace the part. Our objective is to make the machine last and to make the machine work. We like equipment and feel like they're here to serve us, and our job is to make the machinery ready to serve you.
We service most of the local Miami Valley here. We will get into some parts of Indiana and Kentucky depending on what is needed. Phone number is 937-845-3721. You can find us on Instagram and Facebook at Lavy Enterprises. Our email is sales@lavyco.com, and feel free to reach out for any of your needs on any type of equipment.
Here at Machinery Partner, we don't just sell equipment, we build relationships.